Hello, thanks for joining me for another review, another beer from Brewing by Numbers. And this is their number 10, their coffee porter Espresso Martini, 6% ABV, 330ml can then, and it was canned on the 10th of March of 2020, best before the 10th of September of 2020. Batch or guile number 0575. There's a whole host of information about this beer, and lots of it I will mispronounce, so which is, you know, normal. So 6%. We'll pour it out and then we'll see how we go with the pronunciation. If you want to laugh, it's like every review, I guess, but yeah. So beer in a glass. Want to Zoom hang out with some local friends at the moment, so and we're all drinking the same beer. So let's give that a tap and get all the bubbles off it. So it's into the light then, jet black. Yep, it's half a finger of just off white, slightly lightly tanned coloured head. Even a lacing, look at that. There we go. Cool coffee beans. So, get an aroma then. We'll do all that sort of bit first. Wow, okay. Massive coffee. Wow. Almost like, I mean, it says Expresso and that's exactly what you're getting. I've had a few Expressos when I go out to Portugal and that sort of thing. It's on that kind of plane, if that makes sense. Let's go in for it. Cheers. Okay. Wow. You could drink this. This would be a breakfast porter. Well, it's a coffee porter, but wow. Really powerful coffee aromas and taste. Strong. Right, let's go for the having a laugh. Me trying to actually describe what coffee etc. is in this. So it says a collaboration brewed with our friend with actually I did actually, yeah, Climpson Sons. It's a collaboration, and if you want to pause it, I mean it's quite small writing, but I will attempt to read some of it. I did follow these guys on Instagram recently, so shared love of coffee. Obviously, Brewing by Numbers, they do a lot of coffee kind of stouts and porters and that kind of thing. So it's a decadent porter, it says, and it is our interpretation of a popular cocktail stacked with fresh. Here we go. Pardon me, not the burp. This. Fazenda Santissimo coffee beans on both hot and cold sides for maximum flavour. As a nod to the Climpson Sons version, we've also cold infused vanilla beans with rum soaked cacao nibs and husks. Rum. So there's rum. There was a flavour, but I'm getting a kind of apart from the obvious big burst of espresso, lots of kind of raisiny kind of, which is probably, you know, the rum aspect of the beer, but definitely that kind of dark fruit edge. Real roasty kind of toasty malts, yeah, roasty toasty malt stroke coffee beans. That is that kind of vibe. God, I'm going to be up for hours tonight with this one. But yeah, leaving a cracking lace in. Another absolute belting beer from Brewing by Numbers. And it's not had many ratings, but we'll get into that in a minute. It says vegan friendly, so it contains coffee. It's unfiltered, unfined, unpasteurised. Drink responsibly, usual. Ingredients then: water, barley, wheat, oats, coffee, cacao, vanilla, hops and yeast. Sweetness wise, it's not one of them crazy sweet kind of coffee stouts for me. It's more of a kind of a roasty bitterness. Definitely get that kind of yeah, coffee, chocolate caramel. A little bit of caramel for sure, but there's also a light kind of liqueur. Is it liqueur? Is it cocktail? That kind of aspect there. You know, on the back end, it's obviously very decadent. It's the upper end of a medium body. It's got a lovely, creamy, smooth mouthfeel. Wonderful beer. So for me, in terms of a rating, I think this is absolutely marvellous. I'm giving this an 8.5 out of 10, so it's a 4.25 on the Untapped scale. Another very good beer from Brewing by Numbers, and collaboration with Climpsons, get it right, Climpsons and Sons. God, terrible review, but yeah, awesome stuff. If you see it out and about, get it. Maybe on their website, maybe at the Little Swift. I'm not too sure if it's still in stock, so go and check them out. Over to Untapped, 57 total check-ins. There you go. 49 in the last 30 days. 52 ratings then coming in at 3.85. Yeah, I mean, I get it, but when you see coffee, porter, espresso, martini, I would assume if you bought this, you kind of know what the idea of that kind of means. So if you don't like coffee and you bought this, then it's kind of on you. But yeah, if you like coffee and you like porters, yeah, it's well worth it. Awesome stuff. So that is number 10 coffee porter then with espresso martini on the name, 6%. Cool. Thanks for watching then. Check out Brewing by Numbers. Check out Little Swift if you're local, for local delivery on this lockdown days that we're in. I'm reviewing this incidentally on the 17th of April of 2020. So yeah, hope you're all keeping safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.